Hello everyone, it's Martha here with you, and I'm here to share my December 2019 Country Craft Creations design team project. So I did post the tutorial for this yesterday, and I know a lot of you were already wanting to know when the walkthrough is coming, so I thought I would get it up for you as quickly as possible. So it is an 8x8 album, and it has a 3 3/4 inch spine. I used the vintage Country Christmas, I think is what it's called, the collection. It actually just says Country Christmas from Simple Stories. So I really enjoyed this tutorial or this paper collection. And so basically everything in the album is from that collection. I didn't use any die cuts. I kept it super simple, down to earth. It could come together so quickly. So I'm super excited to show it to you. So the cover here, I used some of the pattern paper from the collection. And then I just, this is just some more of the pattern paper that I just cut into flags here. This is one of the 4x6 cut aparts. And then here are this here are border stickers from the border sticker sheet. And then these are from just the sticker sheet. This one might be from the border stickers. I don't remember right now. And then on the spine here, there is also this piece, and that is from the border stickers, and I just loved it. And then the back is just plain, well, not plain, but just the pattern paper. I originally actually wanted to wrap the whole album in this paper, but when I tried to fold it, it did crack, so I didn't, I wasn't going to take that risk. So here I've used the seam binding, the brown seam binding, to tie it up, and I do really like the look of that because there is definitely a lot of brown in the collection. So let's get into it here. Just move it over. So it is, it has 3 pages. So, well, it has 6 pages, but it has 3 actual pages, right? So in the front here, there's just a nice flat, simple pocket, and I just put 2 4x6 inserts in here, or 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so you could just mat your 4x6 photos right onto there. And I did do the lay flat pages in the book, so that they lay really nice and flat on top of each other. Like I said in the video, I'm just a huge advocate of making usable projects and albums, and it's a big pet peeve of mine if they're just standing on end. So the first page here, there is a large pocket back here, and I put just a plain white insert in there, and I used one of the border stickers up here. I really enjoyed those border stickers in this collection. They're really fantastic. So there, I just put that there, and I'm just going to put a photo beneath that, and I just think it's perfect just the way it is. And then here is, if there are 4x4 cut aparts, I did not have them in my collection. So any 4x4s, I just kind of cut strategically out of the papers. So here is 4x4, or I think it is a 4x6 I cut down. I'm not positive though, it could just be from one of the papers too. And it does have a magnetic closure here. And then this is one of the cut aparts, the 4x6 cut aparts, and it just says Season's Greetings. And then I just mat these pieces here with the red cardstock, and I left the backs plain. And then here's beautiful poinsettia paper. And then I'm just going to flip it open to show you. So it all opens, like this whole pocket, whole page folds up, and then there is a space for a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 photo here. And then I just used some pattern paper and one of the stickers there. And then down here, there is a pocket with a 6.5 by 6.5 insert. I don't tell you the insert sizes in the tutorial, but it is below the tutorial video where I put all the other sizes of everything else. There is the insert sizes. So that just goes in here, just like this. And I've just, again, just kind of strategically cut those papers. So that closes up. And then on the back here, there's a pocket. And I just used one of the stickers from the collection here. Really, really cute. And then there is a 5.5 by 5.5 little insert here. And again, I just cut the papers strategically to have the images on there. And then this is actually what keeps this cute little gatefold closed. And here is a space for a 4x4 photo. And this is a space for 4.25 by 6.25 photo. And then here we can just journal. I just left that plain for journaling. And then this just goes back in to close it back up. And so all the pages are identical front and back. So this one here again, this was just cut from the paper, and then I just put one of the border stickers on it. So it just opens like this, and then there's just some pattern paper on the back, and then one of the 4x6 cut aparts here, and then just some more of the red cardstock to mat it, and then the same cardstock as here, back here. And then again, the insert just comes out of the large pocket up here. And this one says Holly Jolly. I just really like the look of these border stickers on just the plain white paper. I really like that. And I just think it would be so beautiful with just a photo below here, and that's it. Just keep it very uncomplicated. Because I find Christmas photos are already so colorful that the more white I can get into my Christmas albums, the better. So again, this folds up, and you have the space here for the 4x6 photo and some more matting here just with the papers, and then a little sticker there. And then again, this pops out here, out of here, this little insert, and then goes back in. And then again, there is one of the border stickers here, and it closes up. And then this is the back, so technically page 4. So I've used another one of those large stickers from the sticker sheet. This one says peace. And then again, this was that beautiful barn paper, but I just couldn't, my album was not large enough to utilize it, so I just kind of cut it out as best as I could. And then there's the pretty poinsettia paper here, and then the green polka dot. And then again, it's the same thing in here, except I kind of left this one like a Polaroid. So you put your photo here, and then there's also space for 4x6 photo here. And then it just closes up like that. And then this is the page 5, I guess. So again, just strategically cut this out. And then this is one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. It just says Merry and Bright. And then again, this was just cut out from the papers. And then it just opens like that. And then look how pretty. And I kind of left it up here as well, so it could kind of continue the theme of this pretty paper here. And then the beautiful little birds over here. And then that just closes up. And that comes up like this. And so here I put the 4x6, 4.25 by 6.25 on its side like this. And it does leave a little bit more room around for the matting, but that didn't bother me. And then here's some more of that barn paper here. And then down here again is the 6.5 by 6.5 insert. And then the barn, or the beautiful tree tree paper here. Just really love that paper. All right, and then the back, this would be page 6. So here I kind of wish there was more of these large words, but there wasn't. So I used the closest that there was, which is the 25 here. And then just another one of the border stickers here. It just says Joy to the World. And then I use this beautiful cardinal here with the Believe in the Magic, and I just cut this out of the paper. Again, this is just cut out of the paper, and then the red plaid, which is one of my favorite papers in the collection. And then here again, your space for your 4x4 photo and your 4x6 photo. And then that just goes in again to close it up. And then back here, I did kind of something I haven't done before. So there is a pocket just like this under this large pocket, and this is a 1/2 inch deep pocket here, so that we could put our inserts in behind it and have a full pocket back there, right? So I kind of really like that. And these are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 inserts. And then for the closure, I did something kind of cool too. I did seam binding, and you'll learn how to do that in the tutorial. So here, again, I just left the lid white, and I just used one of the large border stickers here. It just says Peace, Joy, Peace, Joy, Peace, Joy. It's got the cute little bird and the bell and the holly and the doilies, and it's just beautiful. These border stickers, I'm telling you, they make this book. It's really pretty. And then when we open it, there is you can see the nice 1/2 inch space in there. So I just kind of like that for photos, or probably more like a memorabilia type of a pocket, unless you have some smaller photos. But I don't know, I just really like the closure, and I like the kind of the simplicity to it. So there is the walkthrough of the album. Like I said, the tutorial is already up. I will link it below the video, and there will also be links to all of the products that I used from Country Craft Creations, which is most of the book were products from Country Craft Creations. So I'm super excited for you guys to try out this album. And like I said, literally every page is the same. So you can get your cutting done really quickly, and then you can get your book made pretty quick. Like if you have all your pieces cut, and you can just sit and cut them because they're all down here in the description, all the sizes of everything. You can get put together pretty quick. You can probably get one put together for Christmas. You have 5 days, okay? All right, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this. And I would really love if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would really make my day. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas with your families and your loved ones. And just enjoy the season. Just take time to enjoy the season. So thanks again. I will see you guys probably in the new year.